Welcome to Sherry Chrysler. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 1947 Dodge pickup truck, specifically a WD-20 model. This is the last year of this particular body style from Dodge before they switched to something a little bit bigger, more contemporary for the late 40s, early 50s. You see this one has the barrel front grille, stainless steel trim. There is some red pinstriping there within the grille, around the headlamps, and on the slats on the side of the hood. Headlamps are mounted on top of the peaked crown fenders. They're nice bullet-shaped chrome turn signal indicators on top. Not a lot of bright work on this truck. Of course, back in the day, you could get some bright work around the windshield molding, but most of them were pretty bare bones. They were work trucks after all. This is the model of truck that launched the job rated slogan from Dodge. Got a 217 cubic inch L head flat 6. Should be like 95 horsepower. Runs fantastic, idles like a sewing machine. Goes down the road very smooth. Very nice steel wheels with trim rings, chrome hubcaps, and wide Firestone white walls. She's got her dress shoes on, looking good. The body work on this truck is pretty good. Someone spent a lot of time getting this thing nice and straight. Now the paint isn't perfect. There are some imperfections, but these are the kind of things that you could wet sand and polish out and really bring this truck up to another level. But the way it sits, make a nice driver, cruising, take the kids, go get ice cream. Excellent truck. The box is very, very straight. It is all steel, no fiberglass fenders on this. Got an oak floor with a high urethane finish. Stainless steel slats. I don't think anything's ever really been in this truck. You could be the first one to put a nick in it. Nice and straight tailgate. And there is a chrome exhaust tip, and take a look at these taillights. Moving on around, on the back of the cab, there is a third brake light which was added. I think this is from a vintage motorcycle, however I've not been able to confirm which model. Again, on this side, very, very nice body work. The paint does have a nice luster to it. Moving on the inside. Real nice tan leather bench. It is newer material, very supportive. The springs don't appear to be broken down anywhere. Very comfortable. All black paint on the inside. There is some red trim around the windows. Aftermarket turn signals. Nice rubber mat for the floor. And this is a 3-speed, not the optional 4-speed, but the 4-speed have a granny gear, which would be kind of useless in a truck like this. The door panels have been redone. I think the armrests were added. There is one armrest on each side. The gauges look like they've been redone as well. You see you have engine temperature, oil pressure, your speedometer, fuel level, and your amp meter. Now there is a heater mounted down here on the floor. It may be a bit difficult to see due to lighting, but it is there. It's a newer late model heater, not an original. Nice solid door thud. This truck is currently for sale at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. If you have any questions about this truck, I encourage you to visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. There's about 100 pictures of this truck available, including a detailed description. If you have any questions, give us a call. We're happy to answer them. We can even help arrange delivery. I thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.